everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make the perfect southern fried cabbage. This recipe is one of those type of recipe you just throw everything together and it'll be ready in no time. But before I show you guys how to make this is a perfect side dish, by the way. Before I show you guys how to make it, do not forget to give this video you're watching right now a thumbs up if you enjoy. Also, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. All right, guys, this dish required a little bit of prepping. I am starting by using one large, well, this is not a large, this is about a medium size cabbage. I am going to cut it into small pieces, and also I will leave the ingredients down below for you guys, so make sure to check that out. So I'm going to remove the core because that part is a little bitter, so remove the core and cut them into, small pieces. Now that we're done with the cabbage, set it aside. We're moving on to our sausage. I am using this Cajun andouille sausage. It's delicious, you guys. You have to try this one. We're going to cut them into small pieces just like I am doing. Next, I am going to cut some bacon strips. I am using hickory smoked bacon strip. Just cut them into small pieces. Now that I have the bacon and the sausage nice and ready to go, I am going to cook them. In a skillet, I am going to be adding my bacon, and also I am going to be adding the sausage. We're going to cook them together just to save us some time. So you're going to cook the bacon until they're nice and crispy, and as well as the sausage. Once they have a nice golden brown look to them, you can remove it and set it aside. All right, now that my bacon and sausage nice and cooked, I am going to set them aside. Moving on. Ooh, that looks good. I want some right now. It looks so beautiful. Now in the same skillet, I am going to be adding some red bell peppers as well as some onions. You are going to cook those for about a minute or two until they're nice and soft and the onions are translucent. Now I am going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I am going to cook that until it started to fragrance a little bit. Then we can add our cabbage. Now I'm going to stir it together just to make sure the onions and the bell peppers are well mixed with the cabbage. And then you are going to season this. I am using onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning. Also, I have some paprika in there as well as some dry parsley. You are going to season that just like that. Okay, I know it looks like a lot of seasoning, but trust me, the outcome of this is going to be awesome. Now I am going to add about a cup of chicken broth. That will make the cabbage will be nice and soft, and also the chicken broth will give it a nice flavor. Just toss it, mix it in there, and then you are going to cover this for about 10 to 12 minutes until the cabbage is nice and soft and cooked through, of course. Now, this is about 10 minutes later. Oh, it's looking so good. I am going to pour in my bacon and my sausage, mix it in there. Now, you can already tell this is super flavorful just by looking at it, right? I know. So you are going to mix that in just to make sure the flavor of the sausage and the bacon is well mixed with the cabbage. And at this point, it is ready to go. You are ready to eat, okay? Let's give it a try, guys. And of course, you can add some lemon juice in here if you want, some cayenne pepper flakes if you like it spicy. But let's go. Let's get it. Perfect amount of spice, perfect amount of flavor, and you can't forget that hickory bacon. It definitely takes the flavor to another level. Wow. It is good. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please do not forget to thumbs it up and also subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.